In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Swissquote account. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their official website, you want to click on the sign up button at the very top right. And then in here, you can go ahead and select which account you want. I'm going to go, for example, with this trading account, and then you want to click on open your account. Now, when you do this here, you'll be able to go ahead and get started by putting in some of your information. Here you have to put in your title, first name, family name, and country of residence. And after you do that, you want to click on next, and then you're going to have to go through where you can put in some more of your information, and then just keep going until, of course, you come to the very end of this registration process, and then you will have to verify your email, and after you do, you will get the chance to actually sign into your account, where then you will have to basically just put in some more of your personal info, like your address, your current status, and of course you'll also be able to do your checks on your identity and stuff like that. So that's basically how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. Just go ahead over here, keep clicking next and putting in your real info, and you'll be good to go. Your account will be created in just a few minutes. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.